It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 2nd of January. I'm Michael Groff, and this is Topaz. Say hello. And Happy New Year, everyone. Yes, drier conditions for the rest of the day today. We might see a shower around in some spot this morning, but the clouds will roll in by tonight, and the rain chances will return for tomorrow. How much more rain can we expect, and when might the warmer and drier conditions return to the region? A lot of questions. Let's see if we can find some answers as we dive in and discuss. First, I don't know where my current picture is. So what we'll have to do is we'll just look at the almanac from yesterday. I think Topaz pressed a button there. 62 degrees the afternoon high for your new year. 48 was the morning low. 4,300 of an inch of rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor. We put that in green because that was a daily record. And look at that. We are on the plus side to start the year 2023. And that is always a good thing outside now. We are sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 43. Humidity is at 81%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. All right, and now here is that upper level analysis, and you can see a big, sharp negative tilt trough here across the southwest, and that is lifting out. It'll move up into the Plain States and the Great Lakes over the next 24 to 48 hours, and as it does, we will see a drier northwesterly flow for this afternoon, but another wave following on its heels. That's going to bring another chance of rain in here by late tonight and tomorrow. Here's the watch warning map. We have a lot of dense fog along the Gulf Coast, a lot of sea fog rolling in. That's been persistent the last few days. We've had a hard time clearing that fog out. Elsewhere, some winter weather advisories and winter storm watches and warnings across the central and northern Plain States in advance of that system. Some blizzard warnings as well. Here in Arizona, winter weather advisories up north. The convective outlook for today, we've got the enhanced risk of severe storms. That is level 3 out of 5 for places like Texarkana, Shreveport, up toward Little Rock, and Harrison, Arkansas, and Memphis, Tennessee. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1/10 of an inch, with a little bit more up north, but things are going to start to calm down, dry out just a little bit. And we'll get into the details as to why that is right now as we take a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. Let's try that. It's the new year, folks. What can I say? It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Got a sharp negative tilt trough coming out across the Plain States, a ridge in the east. What it means for us down at the surface today, well, we will have a few showers across eastern Arizona this morning. Those will be lifting out, and then will become mostly sunny for this afternoon. High temperatures today, mid to upper 50s, so a few degrees below where we ought to be. Tonight, the clouds come back in, and we'll see a chance of showers come in after midnight. And overnight lows in the 40s to near 50. And then tomorrow, we can get that up there. There we go. Showers, especially across northern Arizona. Chance of rain here, about a 50-50 shot. If we do see rain, it would generally be under about 1/10 of an inch, give or take. And high temperatures for tomorrow, again, mid to upper 50s with a mostly cloudy sky. Well, this will not be a washout kind of system like we saw over the weekend. This is not going to produce heavy rain and severe storms, but some rain is certainly possible. Then that's going to move out of here quickly. Wednesday will be left with partly sunny sky. High temperatures back toward the low 60s. Thursday, very potent weather system along the West Coast. California is just going to get slammed over the next several days with heavy rain and strong winds and mountain snows. And about as close as that's going to get to us is maybe northwest Arizona, southern Nevada, but most of the state should stay dry. Partly to mostly sunny on Thursday. High temperatures, low 60s. Friday, upper 50s, low 60s. Partly sunny. Same thing over the weekend. Partly sunny each day. High temperatures on Saturday should get into the low to maybe mid 60s, and same thing on Sunday. Now, some of our guidance does suggest that a weak system will come through here on Sunday, and that could produce some light precipitation for us. So we'll put a small chance of rain into the forecast for Sunday, but we do not anticipate any significant precipitation out of this. Highs in the mid-60s. Now, here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 9th of January. We've got a strong system out there over the Northeast Pacific along the Pacific Northwest coast, but a broad southwesterly flow here with an amplifying pattern, and that's going to build a ridge here. That should serve to keep us dry with temperatures at, or maybe even a skosh above average. Going on 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 11th, same setup. Troughing along the west coast or just off the west coast, ridging here, and that looks fairly dry and relatively mild. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix off the Euro Ensemble, this goes out through the 16th of January. And the Ensemble mean is pretty close to a half an inch, but we're not expecting any significant precipitation tomorrow, and then maybe another opportunity or two out there sometime maybe late next week. And temperatures off the national blend of models, a little bit below average today and tomorrow, but overall high temperatures pretty close to where we ought to be for early January. Highs in the mid-60s, overnight lows mostly in the 40s. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning, and should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona is my one and only sweetest of all time. She is the Asian sensation, my Michelle, and she's in the chat there. Topaz is right down here by my feet, and so she helped to liven up the video today as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there and have yourselves a beautiful Monday.